So a lot of people have been noticing this dirty blue oval behind me in a bunch of videos of mine. It is not mine, it belongs to a buddy of mine's, and I've had it over a year, and it's just kind of been my, I work on it in my spare time, had it at my house instead of at the shop, but it got a big transformation. I totally rebuilt the engine, took the crank to Ed's machine. He balanced that for me. I torque plated the block. Let's see, torque plate honed the block with Mr. Rick Seaman. If you haven't seen him, check out his channel. I'll put a link for it. Had the heads redone. Engine is 40 over. It's got Keith Black pistons. It's somewhere around 9 to 9.5 to 1. I did port the heads. It's got headers now. I got a Bullet racing cam, Speedmaster intake, quick fuel 750 vacuum secondary carb, and she's all together now. Headman headers. I just wanted to do a quick update. I know some people have asked, whose Bronco is that or whatever. I'm going to show you a quick transformation of it. I did put a new fuel tank in it. I did a quick video on the sending unit on that. But here you go. I hope y'all enjoy. It's cleaner. Wires look almost new except for that. Oh yeah. Working on this 351. This was the rear cylinder piston. I don't know what they number it, something stupid. Anyway, let's line up all of our oil rings. Skirt's destroyed. It's chipped right there and raped right there, but besides the rings being stuck, here's my favorite part. It's a full floater. Here's what progress looks like. Headers bolted up, motor mounts, bell housing, both sides, throttle bracket. Took me about an hour to fit that dipstick in with the new headers. Pulleys on. I'm gonna keep pushing when I can. Fire's on. Why is this brand new Edelbrock valve cover leaking? I'll give you a clue. Hello. Let's weld her up, Buttercup. Good to go. So here it is, all done up. Engine's in place. Looks pretty good. I reused the factory alternator. I did switch to a Pertronics distributor and a flamethrower coil. Left his AC belt off. He's probably gonna need a compressor. Anyway, it's all in. Cleaned up, no leaks. MSD wires, Edmund headers. He's got some pretty long glass packs on here that were already there. But that's it. Little Ford in a nutshell. Hopefully it can go home soon. And he's off. I'm no longer JustMoparJoe Bronco. Thank goodness. And it's released back into the wild.